You're not in prison anymore. We are offering you an opportunity to join us, to leave your past behind and become a part of something much larger than yourselves. This is your opportunity to become the founders of a nation, to help to create...
You know, there's nothing I like more than a good civics lesson. The word is we're gonna be getting our hands dirty.
Close your eyes. Think of every human who has ever done you wrong.
I'm liking this so far.
Now imagine the world without them.
Sounds good to me, Max. When do we start?
After your training.
Training? Who needs training?
Sorry. Let me be clear. This is my house. These are my rules. And what we're planning requires far more than just blowing up chairs. I need discipline. I need commitment.
Unless you have other plans. Maybe you'd rather go back to wearing a collar, because that can be arranged.
Beats present. We're in.